Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Syncios mobile for iOS file transfers, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download Syncios mobile for iOS file transfers, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type syncios.com and press enter. Once the Syncios homepage loads, locate the download button at the top of the page. Click on the download button to be redirected to the download section. Look for the version of Syncios suitable for your operating system. If you are using a Windows computer, click on the Download Now button for the Windows version. If you are on a Mac, select the Download Now button for the Mac version instead. After clicking the download button, the installer file will begin downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Double-click on the downloaded installer file to launch the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. You may need to accept the license agreement before proceeding. Once the installation is finished, launch Syncios Mobile from your Applications or Start menu. Connect your iOS device to your computer using a USB cable. Ensure that you trust the computer on your iOS device if prompted. Syncios Mobile will automatically recognize your device and display its information. You can now start transferring files between your iOS device and your computer. Explore the various features Syncios offers for file transfers, backups, and management. Your setup for file transfers is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.